so today we are in Joliet, Illinois for a final walkthrough. Yes, we have a closing today on this beautiful property right here behind me. I'm about to take you guys inside so we can take a look to see at what our customers decided to invest in. I love the neighborhood, super quiet, very serene, very peaceful, and falling in love with Joliet. So what I really like about this place is that it's a tri-level, okay? Garage is down here, and it works. Yes, everything is working. Here, we'll go out through the back really quick to take a look at the back. But two-car garage, nice size. The day that we came here, the neighbors were outside. Nice little family of, looked like it was 4, possibly even 5. But they were super cool. They gave us a lot of information. And, you know, when you meet people at the house, I always like to, especially when it's the neighbors, of course, I like to ask as many questions as I can because the neighbors will give you the tea. They will spill the tea as to what's going on. That's why you do a final walkthrough. When you do the final walkthrough, you come in to make sure that everything is working in good order, because if it's not, it's something that wasn't broken before the closing, that wasn't broken during the inspection, you get to go to the table and say, hey, listen, buddy, you know that this was broken. Wasn't broken before, but now it's broken now. And now we demand credits of $1 million or whatever it is that you and the attorneys agreed to ask for. But here's the bathroom. It's nice. I mean, okay. This is where they have all of their, the boiler, the heater, and it looks good too. You know, everything looks clean. Can't complain at all. Over here, and of course this is a townhome, okay? Just remember, may not be as gargantuan as some of these 3,000 square foot homes that we're seeing in the suburbs, but you know, for what it is, I love the layout and it definitely serves the purpose. Here is the kitchen. Bam, look at that kitchen. We want to make sure during the walkthrough that everything's working. Okay. There you go. Good. I'd bake a cake, but I don't have the time. There you go. This is nice. Look at all the outlets they have. I like that a lot. Let me see. We'll call it microwave here. Okay, right here, microwave. Coffee pot. Maybe coffee pot over here, right? And then over here, you charge your phone. Maybe put Alexa over here on top of the windowsill. And then over here, I don't know, maybe like charging your phone if somebody's sitting here talking to somebody washing dishes, who knows? Going up the stairs. Now, carpeted, you'll see it's carpeted. Here's a closet. Take a step back to see how large that closet is. That's a good size, right? That's a good size. Turn these lights on. There are ye old lights. And I saw something in here. I'm not here, the other room that I'll show you in a second, but here is the washer. Okay. Washer and dryer unit. Exhaust gas line. And then probably can put like a decent sized little countertop in here if they really wanted to. But I left the vacuum. All right. Bathroom time. Okay. Let's turn that off. There you go. There I am. We got to make sure that the water's working. Good water pressure. This one time I went to a final walkthrough and I did that and nothing was coming out and it was a hassle. It was a hassle. All right. So far so good. Now we will go, oh, they have their own little walk-in closet here. Okay. Nice, nice. All right, I think the clients are actually here. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go take a look at your house. Yeah, today's closing day. How do you feel?
It's surreal.
It's surreal?
Yeah. It doesn't feel like it's ours, but it is.
Oh, it's yours.
Yay.
Now I went through and tested the water pressure. I turned on all the lights. The only thing I didn't do is bake a cake, but I did test the burners. The burners are working, but that's the whole reason why we are here today.
That's like the only thing I've been thinking about is like cooking our first meal.
What are you guys gonna make? What are you gonna make your first meal?
I don't know. What do you think?
Manwich. I love manwich.
I'm probably gonna make like baked chicken and
baked chicken.
Yeah. That sounds good. Yeah, baked chicken, vegetables, rice. I'm so excited.
There you go.
We just need to get a kitchen table.
Oh yeah. I got bad news. The bad news is they sold the dresser. They sold the dresser, unfortunately.
Oh, what? They kept them.
I told her that they took them.
Oh God, I'm so happy.
Yeah, right. Bonus?
Yes.
How much did they want for them?
$750.
Oh, $7. I thought it was $900. $750?
Maybe it was $900, and then he was desperate to get rid of them. I'm so glad he didn't.
Yeah, they're fancy.
Oh, nice.
Nice,
some
nice.
Shelves.
Beautiful. Right.
I love it. I'm so happy.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
How tough was the process? How much hair pulling did you do?
A lot.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm just happy that we did it. I feel like what everybody told us what the hardest part was going to be wasn't hard at all.
What did they tell you? What was the hardest part going to be?
Like them constantly asking for documents, and like I didn't think, and then raising the credit score and all that stuff. Like I didn't think that was really hard. It was the end. I think with like all the verification,
the final moment stuff.
Yeah, that was like the most stressful part.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of people go through that experience. It's kind of like the wild ride that you take when you're doing a real estate transaction. You guys made it.
Yeah, I definitely think it was a wild ride. I'm glad we're here now.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you.
Let's go to the closing.
Yes.
So I was gonna get my clients a bottle of vodka for their closing, but then I found out that they've been wanting to get this plant from a place called Parenthood in the Joliet Mall, and guess what? I'm here to get it. And behold, here it is. That's the one. Nice. Yeah, they're making the plant fancy. So this is my first time buying my client a plant for a closing gift, but it makes sense because plants go in houses, right? So there it is. Here we go. Here we go. All right. All right, we're at Fidelity National Title. This is where the closing will be.
We did add a HOA document.
And now we're at closing. This is for you guys. Give me the video later on. All right, look at this guy's sign. There they go. We officially closed, and they are now going off to their house. Bye. We just got done with the closing. Congratulations goes out to my clients. You guys were amazing. Thank you for the opportunity to be a realtor. And big shout out to Wendy Aquino from Loan Depot and Brian Tierney from the law offices of Brian Tierney in Chicago. Everyone did amazing. And thank you so much for taking care of my clients. And don't forget to follow me and subscribe for more living in Chicago, Illinois, or in this case, Joliet. All right. It's all taken care of. Time to go home.